Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This is the ignition cover for the Husqvarna 701LR, and we had this from Tekmo. It's a carbon fiber thing. In fact, it's funny because this ignition cover supposedly is blemished. I got it for like 25% off from a retailer, and well, I wasn't going to buy any carbon fiber bits. Honestly, I was going to go with a standard HDPE, kind of like a poly plastic sort of stuff. I like that more. But then they said, hey, this is like deeply discounted. It was more than 25%. So I bought it. And then I had to buy the matching with the other side new, fortunately. But here we are. Here's the stock look. Let's get to the install. So installation of this, this ignition cover was actually very simple. So you just have these 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Take them out. There's no need to do anything where you have to replace the gasket or anything crazy like that. There's not even going to be any leakage. It's pretty straightforward. Those come out. You are not supplied longer bolts. You just use the OEM bolts. You torque them back to spec. I did notice I started to hear a tiny bit of cracking on this one. When I torqued it down, you might be able to see a little bit of carbon fiber cracking there. I don't think it's really going to be a issue long term, but you can kind of see where it started to disfigure a little bit. I mean, coming on and off a lot, it'll probably be a problem, but I'm just going to leave it there for now. So, looks nice. I'm imagining my boot's going to scuff the crap out of this one. The reason why this was discounted, though, is because of that little mark right there. So that mark there is the reason why that was discounted, because someone installed it and then, scratched it somehow, and they returned it because they didn't want it anymore, and then it was unsellable. So that's why I got it on discount. But fits perfectly. I mean, really, it is a perfect fit. Is it hand laid carbon fiber? I doubt it, but it is formed perfectly. This here is not just a normal sticker, so it won't just rub off. This is definitely going to get all scuffed up though from my boot over time. But what matters is obviously protection. So pretty cool piece of kit. I have the same thing on the clutch cover side as well. I'm just waiting for the recluse to come in, and I'll install that and do a separate video for you guys. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Ride safe.